Right. He's put up tape here to compare one side to the other because we started on. What we want to do is compare LA Awesome to the
Super Clean.
Super Clean and see which one cleans up this really hard to clean and rust color coming out of it. And I'll let Byron take over. You going? Okay.
And we're mixed LA Awesome 1-to-1, Super Clean 1-to-1, and we're getting ready to start. We'll, hey.
Where can you buy all this product?
Super Clean is at any Dollar General, dollar store. I mean, the Super Clean's at any Walmart, and the LA Awesome's at a dollar store. Now, the LA Awesome is a lot more fumy. You can really tell it in your lungs pretty quick. So you don't want to be someplace where you can't. Well, just based upon that, I'm going to say the Super Clean did a better job.
Marginally the same price.
Yeah, marginally the same price. About $10 a gallon for the Super Clean. About $6 a gallon for the LA Awesome. I like the Super Clean as a detailer. It's really good degreaser. You can see
We've been using it on nicotine.
nicotine, grease, especially if you mix it heavy. It takes almost everything. Like I said, it is pretty fumy. Take little breaks in between.
Yeah, it's not that LA Awesome wouldn't do the job, it's just not as good as Super Clean.
Yes, it's not, I mean, it's good. It'd get done, I'd have to work a little bit more.
Yeah.
But it did the job, but you can see that Super Clean did a better job.
Alright, just thought I'd share with you.
Yeah, that's the LA Awesome's your cheap, cheap if you just gotta have
$6 a gallon compared to $10.
Yeah, or like a McGuire Super Degreaser at $25 a gallon.